fiesta.
It's puncture already. Hello.
What are we doing, Tom?
Kayaking.
What are we going to see?
Hopefully some turtles, but if not dolphins.
Yeah.
Animals. Animals and Canary Islands. Oh, we're back to another adventure. This one's a bit different. We're in Tenerife this time, and we're going to start off with some kayaking. Gorgeous blue sea. A nice little blue kayak. So we're going to start by heading over to the fishery over there, see if we can see some animals from the surface. Then we're going to head along this cliff line here for a bit of snorkeling and see if we can find any animals. So, I should probably start by explaining. I'm Tom, if you're new to the channel. Yeah, we're not in Cornwall, we're not in Wales, we're not doing anything like that at the minute. We are, we're going to get a side wave from this boat. Yeah, he was waving to say hi or goodbye, you're about to flip. This is Lucy. Lucy? Hi. Give him a little wave. Yeah, ooh, bobble bobble. So yeah, we're out on the hunt. We're currently just got in the water. We are in sunny Tenerife by Los Christianos. And the weather is gorgeous. And I know at home it's absolutely peeing it down with rain. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to get some footage of some animals, turtles, dolphins, who knows. There's a big boat. Excited, Lise?
I'm very excited.
Here's Sebastian, our guide. He's taking us to the hot spots. About halfway there, left the beach over there. See the mountains in the background. Lady Tady. Pretty much reached the fishery now. These are the cliffs we're going along. So yeah, over in the distance, that island there is La Gomera. Nice. I'm not sure if you can see them, but there's some dolphins in the distance, just above Sebastian's head. Keep your paddles down loose. And they come along because they hunt around the fishery to see if there's any strays they can eat.
I think I got it. They're so naughty. They've gone away. Did you see them at all? He sees a turtle over there where he is. Tom, Sebastian can see turtles where he is. He just said I can see a turtle. Where is it?
So, not much luck on the dolphin front. We may have got a little clip of it. But now we're up by the cliff and we're about to go in the water to see if we can find anything. Life jacket's back on, back in the old kayak. Some gorgeous fish down there, lots of colours. Do you like that?
Yeah, I saw a really, really blue one when I started off over there.
Is it black and blue?
No, it was blue.
Like Dory?
Like this blue.
Yeah.
I like that.
So yeah, now we're going to head back inland, see where we go from here. See you there. And we're back on dry land, but not for long, because now we've finished that, we're going straight onto the jet skis, blasting across. But there will be more episodes, so keep tuned after this and I can put in a little links. So there's Lady Tady in the distance, that little dot there, the volcano. Hopefully it won't erupt while we're here, but fingers crossed. And we're doing the jet skiing with a company whose logo you might find familiar. JETHUB. So we just done the jet skiing, but I wasn't allowed to take my camera because what they don't tell you in Tenerife is that you do the excursions and then when you get to the end of it, they try and charge you money for the photos that they take while you're out there. But I've managed to get a bit of footage, a bit of photos, not from this camera, but the people who run it. Saw that.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
So that was the jet skiing. Absolutely awesome. JETHUB is the company. You can book it pretty much anywhere on the island. And they do offer you a lift as well. What do you think of that, Luke?
I loved it. I did a fly.
Yeah, we was flying. We was getting airborne in some areas, but yeah, that was fun. But yeah, they just stung us 60 euros for 2 lots of photos, because it's 30 euros per bike. So yeah, or jet ski, not bike. So that's how they sting you with the money. So yeah, just keep an eye out for that, and don't bother bringing your camera because they won't let you. I did try. But that's it for a couple of water sports to do in Tenerife. A couple of little ideas for you to do. It's been awesome.
It was amazing.
But it's not over yet. Keep watching the channel because there will be another episode where we're going to be hitting up Mount Tady, the Lady Tady on quads, if they let us on with cameras. So yeah, keep watching the channel, keep a lookout. There will be another episode of more to do in sunny Tenerife. See you later from me.
And me.
Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.